Hey friends, if you wish to resolve a bad pool header error on your Windows computer, which is a blue screen of death error, then please watch this video. Now there is a specific solution to this and I checked for it. More than 300 users have claimed that it works. So basically I'm considering that it will work. The first solution is to remove external devices and external peripherals from your system like printers, scanners, cameras, etc. Why? Because peripherals like printers, scanners, camera, etc. try to push their own drivers into your system. This causes a conflict with the existing drivers on your system. And this conflict with existing drivers on your system can lead to the blue screen of death error. So try to disconnect the peripherals to isolate the cause. The next solution is a clean boot. Why? Because just like drivers, a lot of software products installed on your system may also cause this problem. So here's how you can perform a clean boot on your computer. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, click on apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Last one is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Okay, so press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter. This will open the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Click on restart now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.